Umnyango wezepilo uthi sehlile isibalo sabantu abatheleleka ngengogwana ye-coronavirus. Nanyana kunjalo bathonyekile ngesibalo sabantu abathelelekako esihlezi ku-19% ngelanga. Uthi ihlandla lesithathu lobukhali bengogwana le engaziwa ukuthi siyokuphela nini sibangelwe kungalandelwa kwemithetho yengogwana engimabhubhisa le.
The third wave, it's dragging longer than the first wave and the second wave, which went up to the peak nationally and then started going down quite steeply. But the third wave is dragging at a high level. Sometimes it looks as if there's going to be a steep downwards and then it rises again. And in the absence of new variants, what this means is that many of us are not observing the prescribed precautions. Now, the risk of this is that by the time the fourth wave, which is predicted to come somewhere around November, by the time the fourth wave, possibly driven by a new variant, by the time it comes, it may find us still at the tail end of the third wave, which will mean that our health facilities and especially our health workers would not have had much rest.
Nanyana isibalo sabantu abathelelekako eGauteng sehlile nje, Ngqongqotjhe wezepilo uthi imfundo ezinye ezimthonyako sifunda setjingalanga Kapa kunye neTlhagwini Kapa ngombana siyakhuphuka isibalo sabantu abathelelekako. Kubike ukutheleleka kwabantu abaphakathi kweminyaka eli-10 ukuya ke-19 kilezi mfunda.
What is worrying is also that the Northern Cape has remained high, the numbers relative to its population, and that's why its positivity rate remained very high over a prolonged period. In fact, analysts, our epidemiologists often say that the Northern Cape never came out of the second wave. It came straight into the third wave. Now, another worrying trend is that in both provinces, there has been more younger people between the ages of 10 and 19 who have been testing positive.
Gandhi libukiwe ihlelo lokujovwa kwabantu abaphakathi kweminyaka eli-18 ukuya ke-34 ngokuphumelela ukujova abantu abayi-99,000 ngelanga.
The 18 to 34 vaccinations, as I said, we reached 81,000 on Friday the 20th, and the following on the Monday, we're able to reach 93,000. That is on the 23rd. On the 24th, another high figure of 99,000, and also 98,000 on the 25th. And yesterday, on the 26th, we were able to reach a figure of 89,000. That is only for those in the category of 18 to 34.
Umnyango wezepilo uthi usayiqalelela indaba yomjovo weJohnson & Johnson. Nanyana kunjalo basathonyekile ngokuqeda kwehlelo lokujova abantu abadala bonke. Kulindeleke ukuthi afike enarheni ekhethu ngomgqibelo amathosana womjovo we-Pfizer adlula ku-2 million avele eAmerica.